Today's skill shop, we're going to learn how to push faster so we can get you around the skate park. Let's get started. First thing we want to learn is how do we pump. Now, some of us may not know which stance we are, so let's go over that real quick. Regular skaters have their left foot in the front and their right foot in the back. Goofy people, right foot first in the front and left foot in the back. And now that we've learned which stance you may or may not be, let's learn about a couple of things that may go wrong while learning to pump. One of the things people mostly do is they'll stand on a board with both feet vertical. One here and one here. Another thing that can go wrong is people sometimes pump with the wrong foot. I am goofy, so I would typically have my front foot on and pump with my back foot. We'll go over a reason why we do not want to use our back foot to start with and use our front foot to pump with. That's known as Mongo skating. And we'll get into why that's a little bit more difficult. Sometimes people even like to put their back foot in the back and use their front foot to pump with. So what's wrong with Mongo? With Mongo skating, my foot is already turned in the back. Then I pump. Then I have to set my foot onto the turn this foot, and then get ready to do the trick. Now I'm going to attempt to go ahead and push as hard as I can, fast as I can, and get a good pump out of it. But before we do that, let's get into why regular skating gets us the momentum that we need. When we pump with our front foot in front and our back foot in back, we can get a lot more stretch out of it. Let me show you. By placing my front foot in front and my hand on my knee, I can then grip the ground and push forward. I'm able to put my back foot straight under the tail. Once again, if my feet are on the board here, all I have to do is place my foot in and turn, and I'm ready for the trick. That kind of speed control, I hope you guys are able to get down any gap or stair set you're looking for, or even if you're trying to get across town fast. With that skill, you should be able to do anything you need to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, send us some comments, let us know we're doing great.